In this video, we'll explore how to use the construction of yo to express coexisting qualities or situations. Let's first see how they are used in context. Later, I'll provide explanations and then we'll do some practice. 这个苹果很大，这个苹果很圆，这个苹果又大又圆。她很漂亮，她很聪明，她又漂亮又聪明。我们很累，我们很困，我们又累又困。上海的夏天很热，上海的夏天常下雨，上海的夏天又热又常下雨。明天刮风，明天下雨，明天又刮风又下雨。他是美国人，他是意大利人，他又是美国人，又是意大利人。他会唱歌，他会跳舞，他又会唱歌又会跳舞。他想买手机，他想买手表，他又想买手机又想买手表。Yo-yo structure is used to express two qualities or situations that coexist. Then you may be thinking, why not use 和, which means and? Well, in Mandarin Chinese, 和 only connects nouns or pronouns. So if you want to describe coexisting qualities or situations using adjectives or verbs, you must use yo-yo structure. There are other ways to say and, which you can check out from the link below. In this video, we'll only focus on yo-yo structure. In terms of yo-yo structure, what you want to know is that it not only works with adjectives, but also works with verbs or verb phrases. Let's look at the examples one at a time. 这个苹果很大。This apple is big. 这个苹果很圆。This apple is round. If you want to say, this apple is big and round, you can use yo-yo structure to connect the adjectives. So you can say, 这个苹果又大又圆。她很漂亮。She is pretty. 她很聪明。She is smart. If you want to say, she is pretty and smart, you can use the yo-yo structure to connect the adjectives and say, 她又漂亮又聪明。我们很累。We're tired. 我们很困。We're sleepy. If you want to say, we're tired and sleepy, you can use the yo-yo structure to connect the adjectives and say, 我们又累又困。上海的夏天很热。The summers in Shanghai are hot. 上海的夏天常下雨。It often rains during the summers in Shanghai. If you want to say the summers in Shanghai are hot and rainy, you can use the yo-yo structure to connect the adjective and the verb. So you can say, 上海的夏天又热又常下雨。明天刮风。It'll be windy tomorrow. 明天下雨。It'll be rainy tomorrow. Here you must know that even though 刮风 and 下雨 translates into windy and rainy, they are verbs in Chinese. 刮 in 刮风 means to blow, and 风 means wind. Therefore, the yo-yo structure is used to connect the two verbs in this case. 明天又刮风又下雨 means tomorrow will be windy and rainy. 他是美国人。He is an American. 他是意大利人。He is an Italian. These are two verb phrases. If you want to say he's an American and Italian, you can combine these two verb phrases and say 他又是美国人，又是意大利人。他会唱歌 he can sing. 他会跳舞 he can dance. If you want to say he can sing and dance, you can combine these two verb phrases and say 他又会唱歌又会跳舞。他想买手机 he wants to buy a cell phone. 他想买手表 he wants to buy a watch. If you want to say he wants to buy a cell phone and a watch, you can say 他又想买手机又想买手表。This sentence implies that he's debating whether to buy a cell phone or a watch. So this is basically expressing, on one hand, he may want to buy a cell phone, but on the other hand, he may want to buy a watch. Alright, now how about we do some practice? Rearrange the following words to say, this dog is small and cute. You can pause the video and think about it first. Okay, the answer is, 这只狗又小又可爱。Rearrange the following words to say, takeout food is fast and cheap. Again, you can pause the video and think about it first. Yes, the answer is, 外卖又快又便宜。Rearrange the following words to say, he can speak Mandarin Chinese and Korean. Again, you can pause the video and think about it first. Yes, the answer is, 他又会说汉语，又会说韩语。Alright, this is a summary. You can pause the video and take a screenshot for your future reference. For more videos like this, you can check out this playlist on the left. Thanks for watching.